channel. This is Laborita. Now I'm going to wash the clothes, guys, in the washing machine. Join me, guys. Yes, first I'm going to select all the whites, all the bright colors, and separate all the dark colors, guys, because it cannot be together, guys. My madam is no problem if mix of socks, underwears, no problem as long white and dark. Those are colors come out must be separate, but this one is my madam, so I just separate this because it's very sensitive. To wash my hand, this one wash my hand. If you can see pink color, then you know that it's not come out the color, hindi siya mahawa sa damit kung sa Tagalog. Pwede mo siyang isama sa white. And then this one also, this one is cotton, so you can mix together, hindi siya hahawa, the color cannot come out. Also this one, the color cannot come out, you can mix them guys. And then I'm going to close the thing, and I'm going to put my powder. Very nice, affordable, cheaper, but very nice, very clean to wash. Put 1 scoop. And if you have Clorox, you can put Clorox, or if you don't want, never mind, just put down here. So I put baking soda, all-purpose baking soda, guys, for the white, because it's can take out the smell. This one is all-purpose baking soda. Two of these, guys. Sometimes one is enough. Depends on your time, on your mood. Depends on your mood. If your downy is soon to finish, you must minimize. I'm going to close and put in the. This one, guys, is very fast, delicate and fast. If you want to more washing, you put here pre-wash. If you want to more washing, guys, you want to wash it properly, you put in the pre-wash. But if you want to quickie, just put here and put the quick. If you want the pre-wash, guys, no need to put the quick wash, because quick wash is for only the quick 130 minutes or something, sometimes 45 minutes. Thank you very much, guys. That's my laundry today, guys. I hope you understand. I hope you can relate my story with you. If you're housemaid like me, then you can try. But different type of washing machine, I know. In different country, there are different types of washing machine. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, it works itself, guys, and I'm going to clean the room. Bye-bye.